This flash should not exist at this price, because what if I tell you? You're getting 100 watts of power, a touchscreen and pro-level wireless control. For less than many basic flashes. Sounds crazy, right? But this is the Neewer Z3R and it might be the most underrated flash right now. Let's get into it. First, the power. This thing is way more powerful than a normal speed light. We're talking about 100 W output. That means brighter shots, stronger bounce light, and way better performance outdoors if you shoot portraits in sunlight. This changes everything. You can actually overpower daylight. You can shoot at low ISO and still get clean, sharp images. That's something most small flashes struggle with. Now here's where it gets interesting. The light itself looks better too. Why? Because of the round flash head instead of harsh, flat light. You get soft, natural-looking light. Better skin tones, better shadows, more professional results. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. Now let's talk about the most unusual feature. The touchscreen. Yes, this flash has a full touchscreen. At first it feels weird. You might even hate it for the first few minutes. But then something happens. You get used to it, and suddenly it feels faster than buttons. You just tap, swipe, done, changing power, switching modes, controlling groups. Everything becomes quick. It's like using a smartphone instead of an old keypad phone. Once you go back to traditional flashes, they feel slow. Now let's move to something even more important. Wireless control, because this is where the Z3R becomes serious. It has a built-in 4 GHz system with up to 100 meters range. That means you can place your flash anywhere and control it without touching it. Even better. It works as both master and slave, so you can control multiple lights, build a full lighting setup and still stay in control from your camera. And yes, it even works with other systems like Godox. So you're not locked into one ecosystem. That's a big deal. Now let's talk about battery life, because nobody wants a flash that dies mid-shoot. This one uses a 3000 mAh battery, and it can give you around 500 full power shots. That's huge. You can shoot events, weddings, long sessions without worrying about power. And the recycle time, around 1.7 seconds, which is fast. And if you use extra power, it can get even faster. Now real-world performance. Does it actually deliver? Yes, TTL works well, manual control is precise, and results are consistent. The wireless connection is stable, no random disconnects, and once you learn the system, everything feels smooth. But it's not perfect. The biggest issue, that touchscreen. Yes, it's fast, but it has a learning curve if you're used to buttons. This will take time. Also, the color temperature is slightly cool, around 6000 K, not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind. And one more thing, you can charge it with USB-C, but you can't use it while charging.